Welcome to Grumpy John's garage. Well, Grumpy John's container. I'm just here looking at my engine just to get an idea of what I might have to do to it. This is it here, sitting in the container. It's been in here for, it's got to be about 5 years it's been in here. Still got the green paint on it. This is not the original engine that came with the Jeep. The original engine is that one there. It's a Hurricane engine. So what I was told with this engine was that it ran when it came out of the vehicle, that it was pulled out of the carburetor. I wouldn't know, must have had a different carburetor on it. But anyway, there's no plate on the back. It's got a clutch. Teeth look good so far anyway. Definitely needs a carb rebuild. I've got a kit for that, and it is a Carter carburetor, model WO. So it is a Willys. Your heat exchanger levers free. That snapped off. That was me. When I moved it into here, I snapped it off. But I've got new pipe anyway, and I'll get an elbow. So, not the original plug leads. The head. I'm not too clued up on the proper heads for proper years. The casting, if I remember right, the casting came out as a June 43. So here's the distributor. It's kind of a weird one. It's definitely not the original one. It's a Wico. I don't know what that is. Wico JM 1677. I don't know what that is. I've got a new distributor cap for it anyway. I've got new spark plugs for it. Although they're black spark plugs, so they might be the original ones. The newer ones are silver. The water pump. Water pump looks okay. A bit of junk in it, but it does look okay. Fuel bowl, glass fuel bowl, which is good. I'll get a rebuild kit for that. What I'll do with the water pump is I'll take the water pump off and I'll see what it's like. And then I've got the oil filter. Then we've got I think that's for the dynamo mount. It's bent. There's that's the numbers on the engine. Yeah, but it looks in good nick. Of course the head will come off. This is the old engine that I had. This was the engine that was fitted in the vehicle. That's why they cut a hole in the bonnet. Can't really see it, but there is a distributor there. Whether they are interchangeable, I don't know. They're in the same position. A new distributor's only £125, so I might even get that. That's the engine. And that's a steel wheel. It's not an MB right enough, but that's one that was on it. I got it sandblasted and then decided I wanted proper combat rims. Well, that's it for this wee update. I'm going to go and find out what this Wico. I've probably looked at it before and found out what it means, but I'll go and have a look to see what it means. I think it could be that it was a generator, and you don't need a coil, because that's right. I think it's a distributor with a built-in coil, and they had them on generators, so that possibly could be what it is. That seems to ring a bell. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.